Namaskaram, welcome to Mana TV Telangana. Today, we shall discuss the problems on several competitive entrance examinations, and also we shall discuss how to solve those problems using some easy approaches. So, that means easy methods. So, for example, if you want to appear any competitive entrance examination, so in a stipulated time we have to solve the problems. So, in order to solve the problems, we have to follow some strategies. So, strategies I mean, so though you might have studied all the concepts, so in a clear manner, but during examination, so it had better to adopt some easy methods or easy approaches. So, today let us concentrate, so how to solve those problems from the different topics or different chapters in easy method. So, shall we move to the one problem? Okay, let us solve the problems now. So, first problem, the point of intersection, the point of intersection the point of intersection of the straight lines represented by the equations 14x plus 17y plus 20 is equal to 0, and 99x plus 102y plus 105 is equal to 0 is. So, this is the question. Okay, let us have a discussion on this problem. So, let me read out problem once again. The point of intersection of the straight lines represented by the equations 14x plus 17y plus 20 is equal to 0 and 99x plus 102y plus 105 is equal to 0 is. So, if you want to solve these two equations, in order to find out the point of intersection of the straight lines, we may adopt three methods. So, that is elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. So, you have familiarized with those methods. Those methods are very lengthy, but if you just follow the pattern of the coefficients given in the two equations, then easily actually we can solve this problem. For example, just you see the first equation. What are the coefficients? Here x coefficient is 14, y coefficient is 17 and constant is 20. If you observe, there is a pattern is there. So, if you just find out that pattern, this problem becomes very easy to solve. Here see 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 3 20. So, that means you might have expected 14, 17, 20 are in arithmetic progression. Now, in the similar manner, let us proceed to the second equation. In the second equation also 99 plus 3 102, 102 plus 3 105. The coefficients of second equation are also in AP. That means if the coefficients of both the equations are in arithmetic progression, then our answer is 1 comma minus 2. That means 1 comma minus 2 will satisfy the first equation and will satisfy the second equation. that is the common solution or the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay? So, we can generalize this formula like this. Now, what is the hint means? If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then the equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. So, that means first equation passes through 1 comma minus 2, second equation also passes through 1 comma minus 2. That is why the point of intersection of given lines is therefore point of intersection is equal to 1 comma minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now, let us move to the next problem. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole to the power of 12 is, okay, this is the question you might have expected. So, if you just read the problem, this problem is actually given from the binomial theorem. This is the binomial theorem chapter. So, that means the problem is taken from binomial theorem chapter. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole to the power of 12 is asked here. So, that means the number of terms of x plus y whole to the power of n is very simple, we can write, that is n plus 1. But here not x plus y, here we have 3 terms is there. So, how to find out the number of terms? So, that means we can generalize it by means of using the patterns. So, let us write the easy approach, or that is easy method, the formula. So, now you remember this formula in order to solve this problem. The number of terms in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on, there may be r terms xr whole to the power of n. So, is given by is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Better you had to remember this formula. This problem easily we can solve it. Okay? Let us solve this problem now with the help of this one. Here only very simple, in this problem just find out r value. R means the number of terms in here in the bracket 1, 2, 3, r is equal to 3. Now, what is the n value? N value is the exponent or index, that is 12. So, that means here n is equal to 12 where r is equal to 3. Now, substituting these two values in this formula, we get the number of terms. Okay? Shall we do it? So, that means the number of terms in the given expansion, that is a plus b plus c all to the power of 12 is equal to, can I write like this, 12 plus 3 minus 1 c stands for combination, r minus 1 means 3 minus 1. Let it be simplified. So, now this can be simplified, 15 minus 1 14 C2, that means 14 C2 value is to be evaluated. So, let us evaluate 14 C2. So, now we have one formula in combinations, NC2 is equal to, NC2 equals to n into n minus 1 by 2 into 1. Okay. Now, instead of n, here we have 14. So, we can write 14 multiplied by 14 minus 1 is 13 by upon 2 into 1. So, let us simplify it. 2 1 2 7 ja. Now, 13 7 ja is 91. So, there are 91 terms in the given expansion. I think you might have followed. Okay, shall we go to the next problem? The area of the triangle formed by joining the points 99, 3, 100, 2 and 67, 35 is. Okay, this is the problem. See, you are asked to find out the area of the triangle formed by the points 99, 3, 100, 2 and 67, 35. You know, different methods you can adopt, but of all the methods actually in competitive entrance examination, just there may be one trick may be there in the question. That trick we have to find out, or the strategy or easy method we have to trace out from the given problem. Just if you observe the coordinates of the given here points, see 99, 3, 100, 2 and 67, 35. If you observe, we can get a common property among these 3 points. So, what is the common property here? Just add these two coordinates, 99 plus 3 is 102, am I right? 100 plus 2, that is also 102, 67 plus 35, that is also 102. So, that means if the sum of the coordinates of the given 3 vertices is same constant, then the given 3 points are collinear. If the 3 points are collinear, no triangle can be made. So, that is why the area of the triangle becomes 0. So, answer is 0, but we have to remember this one as a one easy method or shortcut formula. So, let us write the formula. Providing x1 plus y1, x2 plus y2 is equal to x3 plus y3, then we conclude that x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. These 3 points are collinear, or they are said to be collinear. If they are collinear, delta becomes 0. That implies here we can write area formed by these 3 points is 0. That is why if you attribute to this problem, the answer is 0. Therefore, area of the triangle formed by the 3 points is area, that is delta is 0. Okay, now let us move to the next problem. The point of intersection, the point of intersection, the point of intersection of the lines represented by a minus b of x plus b minus c of y plus c minus a equals to 0 and p minus q x plus q minus r y plus r minus p equal to 0 is. This is the question. Now, in this problem, just observe, it seems to be very tedious, but it is not tedious. It is very simple. So, because if you apply the elimination method or substitution method, or even if you apply cross multiplication method, that becomes very lengthy. But I already told you, if you observe the pattern, then the problem becomes very easy and tricky also. So, let us apply the tricky method here. Just observe, in the first equation, what is the sum of the coefficients? That means, I mean to say that a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, we get 0. In the second equation, what is the sum of the coefficients? That is also 0. So, that means, if the sum of the coefficients of the given equation is 0, then always that line passes through the point 1 comma 1. That means, first line passes through 1 comma 1, second line also passes through 1 comma 1. What is the common point? The common point is 1 comma 1, that is nothing but point of intersection. So, what is the answer? 1 comma 1, that is very simple. So, that means we can generalize this one, or we can remember as a formula like this. So, what is the formula behind this problem is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always passes through 1 comma 1. So, providing all these conditions, answer also 1 comma 1. So, let us write it. Here we can remember as a hint for this one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the line or straight line, the line of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always passes through passes through 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. So, that means this passes through 1 comma 1, this also passes through the 1 comma 1. Therefore, the point of intersection, the point of intersection is equal to 1 comma 1. The answer is 1 comma 1. Okay, let us move to the next problem. The rank of the word, the rank of the word father or first mother, let us take it, no problem, mother is. So, have you recognized the question? Yes, this question belongs to the permutations and combination chapter. This is very important question. Actually, this question may appear in different kinds of competitive entrance examinations. How to find out rank of any word, that may be father, that may be mother, that may be labor, that may be plover. So, first, in order to find out this one, actually we have very lengthy method or lengthy pattern, but that can be concised in a simple manner with the help of the easy method, easy approach. So, let us discuss how to find out the rank of the given word mother. So, first follow this strategy. First, mother write down. This is the word given. So, arrange the letters of the word mother in alphabetical order first. In alphabetical order means the first what will come here, E, after that H, okay, after that M, the letters of the word in dictionary form. Okay. Now, first you do one thing, just you cut E and this E. Before this E, how many letters are there here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, yes 4 letters. Here 4 write down simply. After he, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that you write down 5 factorial. You know what is meant by factorial, that I have explained later, do not worry. Plus next H, cut it. Before H, how many letters are left? 3 letters. So, first write down 3. So, after EH, how many letters are there? 4. So, write down that is 4 factorial. Okay. Now, we require what is M. M gets cancelled. Before M, no letter is there. So, 0 multiplied by here, after that we have 3 letters, 3 factorial, write down. Next required word is O gets cancelled. Before no word is there, 0 write down. After that 2 factorial. Always add 1, that is the letter of the word mother. The word mother. We know that 5 factorial means 120. So, we can write 4 into 120 plus 3 into 4 factorial means 24 0. Okay. Next 0. 1 factorial means 1, that is 1 plus 1. 4 into 120 is 480 plus 24 into 3 is 72 and plus 2. So, now 480 plus 74, 4, 15, 554. ఇది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి ఈ వర్డ్, ఇది మళ్ళీ చూద్దామండి. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్, the equation of the circle the equation of the circle points 8, 6, 6, 8 and -6, 8 is. Okay. Here we have to find out the equation of the circle passing through the given 3 points. So, you know, in general the equation of the any circle can be taken as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substituting first point, we get one equation in terms of g, f and c. In the similar manner, by substituting second point and third point, we get other two equations. By solving these three equations, we get g, f, c values, which determines the required equation of the circle. But in competitive entrance examination, I already told you, just observe the pattern. Here pattern means, here see in this problem 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36, 64 plus 36 is 100. Here also 36 plus 64 100. Here minus 6 square is also 36 plus 64 100. That means if you just say x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, here x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x3 square plus y3 square. That means all these 3 points are equidistant from the origin. Can I say? So, since it is equidistant from the origin, 3 vertices are equidistant from the origin, that origin is the circumcenter. So, 0, 0 is the center of the circle. If 0, 0 is the center of the circle, then x square plus y square and is equal to r square, it is a radius. R square is nothing but here 8 square plus 6 square or 6 square plus 8 square or minus 6 square plus 8 square. So, that means the equation of the circle passing through x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, providing x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x3 square plus y3 square, is given by x square plus y square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, let us write it now. See, if x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x3 square plus y3 square, then the equation of the circle passes through x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is x square plus y square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. So, therefore, now easily we can find out equation of the circle passing through the given points. So, that is, therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to here 8 square plus 6 square, that is 64 plus 36. Am I correct? So, that is 100. So, therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 100 is the answer. So, that will be the one of the options that you have to choose. Okay, now, let us move to the next question. Triangle ABC, this means usual notation. In triangle ABC, if cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15, then A is to B is to C is equal to how much? So, this problem is actually from properties of triangle. It is very, very important problem. In the triangle ABC, cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15. Then we have to find out the ratio among the sides of the triangle ABC. So, that means if you want to find out this A is to B is to C, so generally what shall we do means general method here. Cot A by 2 is S into S minus A by delta, cot B by 2 is S into S minus B by delta, cot C by 2 is S into S minus C by delta. By writing that values and simplification, after that we have to find out ABC values. So, instead of that we can remember this one as a formula. So, what is the formula means? Suppose if you say 1 is to 4 is to 5, 1 is to 4 is to 15 equals to something L is to M is to N, so that directly A is to B is to C we can evaluate it. Okay. Shall we actually, do you want to know about that formula? Okay, let us write the formula now. Here in triangle ABC, that means with usual notation triangle ABC, suppose if cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equals to, say L is to M is to N suppose, then A is to B is to C is given by this shortcut. You do one thing, M plus N is to N plus L is to L plus M. Okay. Now, here in this case L stands for 1, M stands for 4, N stands for 14. Therefore, required ratio of the problem A is to B is to C is equal to, first let us write M plus N, that means 4 plus 14, 18 is to N plus L, 14 plus 1, 15 is to L plus M. What is L plus M? 1 plus 4, that is 15. So, 18 is to 15 is to 5. So, if it is possible to put in simplest form, you can write it, otherwise you leave it. So, this is the right answer. What is the answer? 18 is to 15 is to 5. I think you might have followed this shortcut. So, whenever these kind of problems are appeared in the examination, you had better to remember this easy method or easy approach. So, now let us see one more question. The rank of the word mother mother is. This is very important model from permutations and combinations, because in many competitive in many competitive entrance examinations, so these kind of questions may be asked. There is a possibility of getting this question. So that is why how to find out the rank of the words. So in general actually we have traditional method. If you follow the traditional method, so that will be actually takes much time in entrance examinations. In order to actually do this problem in a stipulated time, we have one easy approach. So let us discuss that easy approach to find out the rank of the words, different words. Okay, now, so let us find out the rank of the word mother. First given word write down as it is. So that is mother. Okay. After that, arrange the letters of this word in alphabetic orders as per dictionary. Let us arrange it. So this can be arranged E, H, M, O, R, T. So in order to find out the rank of the word mother, what is the first letter of the mother? M. So just cancel M here. Before M, how many letters are left? 2 letters. So first 2 write down, put the bracket. See top word. Here how many letters are left after M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 5 factorial. That is 5 factorial. Now plus, what is the in the mother next to letter is O. So cancel O and O. Before MO, how many letters are there? 2 letters. So write down 2. Here after MO 4. So we have to write 4 factorial. Understood? Next letter we required word is T. T cancel. Before T, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3. Plus 3 into, here also 3 letters are left, write down 3 factorial. Now required word is H, H gets cancelled. Now plus 1 into, how many letters are left here? 2 factorial. Okay. Next letter is required E. Before E, no letter is there, so 0 into here 1 factorial, and next is RR, that is only, but always you have to add the word mother itself only, that is plus 1. Let us simplify to get the rank of the word given mother. Now 2 into 120, 5 factorial, plus 2 into 24 plus 3 into 6 plus 1 into 2 and plus 1, because 0 into something 0, leave it. 120 into 2, 240, 24 into 2, 48, plus 18 plus 2 plus 1. Let us sum up. So now this is 20, 21, 48 plus 21. So 48 plus 21, that is 9, 69, and next 240, 240 plus 69, 9, 10, so 309. So what is the rank of the word? So that is equal to 309. This is the rank of the word mother. Now do you want to find out the rank of the any other word? Okay, let us find out rank of the word father. Rank of the word, the rank of the word father, is? This is the question. Okay. First, let us write the word father. First, arrange in alphabetical order or as per the dictionary. This can be arranged. First, A is there, A, E, F, H, R, T. Just check it. What is the required word in the father? The first letter is F. So, F cancel. Before F, how many letters are left? 2 letters. In the top also we have there 5 letters are left. So, this can be written now 2 into 5 factorial plus next required letter is A cancel. Before A no letter is there 0, but 4 factorial you could understand, plus next letter is T cancel. Before T how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 multiplied by, here we have 3 letters, 3 factorial write down, and plus next required letter is H. Before H we have 1, so 1 into 2 factorial, now easily you can understand. Next letter is E, before E no letter is there, 0 into 1 letter is left here, 1 factorial. Now R gets cancelled, next letter will be father, add 1. If you just simplify you will get the answer, that is all. Now 2 into 5 factorial is 120, am I correct? Plus 0 into something 0, 3 into 3 factorial is 6, 1 into 2 factorial is 1 into 2, 0 into something 0 plus 1. Now 120 into 2, 240 plus 3 into 6, 18, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1. This is 21. That means 240 added with 21, 162, 261. Okay. What is the rank of the word father? That is 261. Yes, 261. In the similar manner, you had better to practice some more words at your own or by referring different textbooks. So, for the sake of for competitive entrance examination, I would suggest some words to you. So, you better practice to find out rank of the words victory, flower, labor, task. Okay. Better you practice to find out rank of these words also using these methods. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by joining the points 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3, 8 is. This is very important problem. How to find out the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the given 3 points? Suppose say the points are 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2. In general, we know the traditional method by finding the altitudes of the given circle, solving the any two of the equations of the altitudes, we get orthocenter. But so we have one easy method is there, easy approach is there. So let us first of all formulate that easy approach By using that formula, easily we can find out the orthocenter of the given problem. Okay? So, let us note down that easy approach. Here the orthocenter of the triangle formed by joining the points (0, 0), x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by k of y2 minus y1 comma k of x1 minus x2. But what is k? Where k is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Just observe. Okay? Just observe. Now, k is equal to, now x1 x2 1 into 3 plus y1 y2 2 into 8 by x1 y2 means 1 into 8, okay, minus x2 y1 means here 3 into 2. Let us simplify. 3 plus 16 upon 8 minus here 6. So, this is equal to 19 by 2, this is the k value. Now, orthocenter of the given triangle, say H is equal to orthocenter. Now, k is 19 by 2, difference of the y coordinates, but order is y2 minus y1, that means 8 minus 2 comma k is 19 by 2, here x1 minus x2 1 minus 3. Let it be simplified. So, 19 by 2 multiplied by 6 comma 19 by 2 multiplied by minus 2, am I correct? Now, this 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 2 1 ja, this is 19 3 ja 57, am I correct? Comma this is minus 19, this is the orthocenter. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by joining the points is, okay. Let us solve it, this problem. Here this is in the form of 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2. If the given vertices are 0, 0, x1, y1 and x2, y2, easily we can find out the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the given 3 points. So, that is k times y2 minus y1 comma k times x2 minus x1. Y1 means 0, 0, sorry, that is 8, 0, x2, y2 is 4, 6. Already we had a discussion how to find out orthocenter of the triangle. First, let us find out the value of k. So, this can be calculated x1 into x2, 8 into 4 plus y1 into y2, that is 0 multiplied by 6 upon x1 y2, x1 y2, 8 multiplied by 6 minus here x2 minus x2 into y1. x2 into y1 means x2 is 4, y1 is 0. So, 4 times 0. Now, this equals to, see, 32 plus 0, otherwise you can write 8 into 4 plus 0, 8 into 4 into 8 into 6 minus 0, 8 into 6 only. This 8 gets cancelled, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So, k value equals to 2 by 3. Now, k value have been determined. Now, easily we can find out orthocenter. Now, orthocenter is given by H is given by the formula we have, that we have already discussed, k multiplied by y2 minus y1 comma k multiplied by x1 minus x2. Okay. Let us replace respective values here. So, this equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by y2 minus y1. What is y2? Here 6, y1 is 0, 6 minus 0, 6, comma 2 by 3 multiplied by x1 minus x2, that means 8 minus 4, 4, x1 minus x2. So, that means this is 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 4, this will be 8 by 3, 4 comma 8 by 3 is the orthocenter of the given triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 8, 0 and 4, 6. So far we have discussed the problems on different competitive entrance examinations on different chapters. In the next coming episode also, we discuss more problems and more easy approaches using tricky problems. Okay, thank you.